Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding mattress is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving pieces of furniture you can own, offering a comfortable sleeping solution that can be easily stored away when not in use, making it an ideal choice for guest rooms, small apartments, or even for camping trips. Its convenience and adaptability make it a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their living space without compromising on comfort or guest accommodation. Number 5. Amazon Basics Foldable Metal Bed Frame. Experience a quiet and supportive foundation for your mattress. This bed frame is designed to keep your mattress comfortably in place, eliminating any squeaks or noises. Crafted from robust steel, this bed frame is built to last. Enjoy reliable strength and longevity for years to come. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. It requires no tools and can be assembled in minutes, making it incredibly convenient. Reclaim your bedroom space with ample underbed storage. Its design offers generous vertical clearance, perfect for storing your belongings. Rest assured with its strong support system. This frame can hold up to 700 pounds, providing a secure and stable base for a peaceful night's sleep. Thanks to its foldable design, moving and storing this bed frame is simple. It easily fits through doorways and can be tucked away when not in use. What we like? This frame offers generous underbed storage, perfect for keeping your space tidy. Its tool-free assembly means you can set it up in minutes without any hassle. If you're looking for a sturdy and convenient foundation with extra room for storage, this is a great choice for maximizing your bedroom space. What people say? Super easy to put together and very lightweight, so moving it around isn't an issue. It provides excellent support for a twin mattress without any wobbling. Perfect bed frame, extremely easy to assemble and perfect for a person who moves frequently, as you can take it anywhere easily. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with just one movement. This ergonomic machine effectively targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders for low-impact training at home. Connect your machine to the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access AI-powered plans, global workout tours, and an exclusive community led by expert trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup ensures a balanced routine that fits your strength, flexibility, and personal goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. This machine is built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like? This product is designed for a comprehensive full-body workout, targeting multiple muscle groups effectively. With its connected fitness app, you get guided workouts and real-time tracking for a more engaging experience. If you're seeking a compact, home-based fitness solution that offers guided training and a space-saving design, this is ideal for your home gym. What people say? This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, if you buy this you'll know what I'm referring to. I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. It still kicks my butt, but much closer to standard cardio. The row and ride is light, quick, and easy to assemble, and the app is absolutely wonderful. This seems like a stable, easy-to-use upright rowing machine. Setup took about 25 minutes, including interruptions from the dog, and even though some of the written instructions were vague, the accompanying illustrations made things clear. Number 3. Linenspa 14 Folding Metal Platform Bed Frame. Tired of the hassle of a box spring? This sturdy steel frame offers exceptional stability and convenience, providing even support for your mattress. Enjoy up to 13 inches of underbed storage, perfect for keeping your room tidy. Its foldable design makes it ideal for smaller spaces or guest rooms. Forget frustrating setups. This frame assembles in under 5 minutes. Simply unfold and hand tighten the bolts for a quick and easy setup. Lightweight yet robust, it supports most mattress types and holds up to 1,000 pounds. It brings a touch of modern simplicity to any bedroom. With steel support braces for stability and a 5-year warranty, you can rest assured. It's designed for safety and convenience, fitting perfectly with your mattress. What we like? Enjoy exceptional stability and convenience with its sturdy steel construction and toolless assembly. It provides ample underbed storage, helping you maintain a neat and organized bedroom. If you prioritize quick setup, significant storage potential, and long-term peace of mind with a warranty, this foundation is an excellent option. What people say. The mattress is comfortable and supportive, making it a great option for guests or everyday use. It folds up easily for storage, which is perfect for small spaces. The memory foam provides good cushioning and conforms to the body for a restful sleep. Number 2. Sleepmaster 9 High-Profile Bifold Box Spring. Introducing the Sleepmaster 9-inch High-Profile Bifold Box Spring. It offers the look of a traditional box spring with a sturdy steel frame and a durable poly jacquard cover. This mattress foundation is designed for convenience. It folds and compresses, making it incredibly easy to move and store when not in use. Enjoy the classic appearance of a box spring without the hassle. It's built with a robust steel frame and a fabric cover for lasting support. Forget about complicated setups. Simply open the box, slide it out, and unfold it. It instantly takes the shape of a box spring, ready for use. Crafted with a strong steel frame and a protective poly jacquard cover, this foundation is built to last. It provides reliable support for your mattress. What we like? This foundation offers the look and feel of a traditional box spring without any assembly required. Its folding design makes it incredibly easy to move and store. If you need a simple, ready-to-use solution that mimics a box spring and is easy to handle, this is the perfect choice for a quick mattress setup. What people say. Super durable, great quality, the height was perfect for my needs. Easy to move into or around your house, especially for downstairs bedrooms, or upstairs for that matter. If you need to navigate a stairway, these are the mattress foundations for you. No issues after 1 year of use. Recently moved our bed and they still looked brand new. Number 1. FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed. Experience cloud-like comfort with our folding sofa bed. Its high-density foam provides lasting support without sagging, while the breathable linen fabric feels gentle on your skin. Plus, the removable cover makes washing a breeze. Say goodbye to back pain. This sleeper chair features an adjustable backrest that perfectly contours to your body. The included pillow offers targeted lumbar support, allowing you to relax for hours without discomfort. No assembly required. This fold-out chair bed transforms from a cozy chair to a comfortable bed in just 1 second. It's perfect for unexpected guests or simply for your everyday relaxation needs. Enjoy peace of mind with its reinforced design. Heavy-duty straps keep the backrest securely in place, and premium zippers are built for long-term, frequent use without snagging. Maximize your living area without compromising on comfort. This foldable sofa bed folds down compactly, making it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any space that needs flexible seating and sleeping options. What we like? Experience effortless conversion from a chair to a bed in just 1 second, perfect for spontaneous needs. It features an ergonomic adjustable backrest for maximum comfort during lounging or sleeping. If you live in a small space like a studio or dorm and need a versatile, comfortable seating and sleeping solution that requires zero assembly, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Zero smell, on the firmer side, very comfortable, pretty thick, perfect for when my kids have friends over. Great quality. Comfortable to both sit on and lay on, it's firm enough to provide support but soft enough to be comfortable. Easy to fold out and fold back up. Excellent for both sleeping and sitting. Converting it from a bed to a sofa is extremely easy and smooth. It's well made and high quality. The comfort level is great, whether you're using it as a bed or a couch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.